Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a very free Chinese AI tool that you can use to create fantastic presentations. So this entire presentation was created using an AI tool that is completely free to use, free to share. You can develop your content, you can upload a document, maybe a journal paper, you can create your presentation for your conference or for any kind of report writing that you are making, or for any presentation to the management or to any your lecture students. You can easily develop that and present. So this entire presentation was developed by this particular AI tool, and you can do that as well on your own, adding your values, adding your content, and have it to generate some wonderful slides like this for you completely free of charge. So to start, let me show you how to do it. You can start by coming to your browser anywhere and just type in Kimi AI. Okay, so Kimi is a Chinese tool that you can use. You can see it over here, kimi.com, and it is going to bring you over here. So of course you have to log in with your Gmail account to be able to come in here. All right, so once you're here, you can be able to see slides by the left, so you'll be able to click on it, and then this is where you give in your prompt of what you are trying to create. Now, while you have the agent slides selected, you can change the nature of the slides. You can have visual and adaptive. I want to keep it at default, make it adaptive. And over here, you have the option to add files and photos if you want to make reference to all of those. And then you can just go ahead and give your prompts. So for this case, I just went ahead and gave it this prompt: create a presentation about reservoir sedimentation in dams. Okay, and then I just go ahead and give this enter, and then it starts with the thinking and browsing and checking in and gathering a lot of information about it. We start with general requirements, the topic: reservoir sedimentation in dams, a critical environmental and insurance issue, language English, page count not specified. So it said I'm going to use and generate about 12 pages for comprehensive coverage. And then you have content focus, target audience. Everything here you can specify if you want to have a specific presentation developed around that particular topic that you have. Presentation style you can specify as well if you're interested. So since none of this is presented, it's going to use its own intuition to generate based on what you can just put in together as an example. So, and what it has created is this. And this is what it has created after doing a lot of thinking, a lot of ideation, segmentation process, causes and key accelerating factors, global impact and statistics, and so on. You see, after doing all of this thinking, and then the slides generation and so on, it now came out with this particular that it has presented. So we can just click and edit and then maybe have a look at what it has created for us. So this is the slide that it has created. Now the best part of this is it is editable. All of the elements are editable. You can click and you have this much editing features. You can bold things, you can italize things and underline and so on, and even change the coloration if you're interested in changing the coloration as well. You can even change any of these elements if this is what you want. And move to the next slide, and you can add a slide with this plus sign if you want to have a specific area that you want to add or what you want to add. For example, if you want to add an image or you want to insert an image, you can just easily bring it in and it's going to be inserted. It's going to be uploaded, then inserted into your presentation. And then you can add different kind of shapes. From here, you can see multiple shapes. You can add text of different types. All you need is just to click and start typing, and you have this much editing features as well. You can insert table and mathematical equations as well as many other things. So once you are done, you can see the slides and you can play it if you're interested. You can play the slide directly, or you can save it, or you can download in this format. You can go on PPT and just say save, and this is going to download your slides directly. You can see it is being downloaded and it's been downloaded directly. So you can go ahead, explore and see what extent can you use this to develop professional slides for your own next presentation that you have. It is wonderful and it's completely free to try. If you want to have multiple usage, you can subscribe to this and have it for your own content. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of the Kimi AI to generate presentations for your own next seminar or engagement. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.